Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video I'm gonna be making this yummy Jamaican fricassee chicken. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now let's cook. So guys, here we have our chicken pieces, and I went ahead and I washed that with vinegar thoroughly also, guys. Now I'm adding oil, and this is what's going to allow the season to stick together. Now for the season, I'm using Maggi chicken season. I'm also using garlic powder, onion powder, and Cajun season. And I will be sure to list all the ingredients down in the description below. Now I'm pouring that season all over the chicken, and I'm just going to rub all that season in, just making sure that it is well coated. Yeah, and you guys can go ahead and marinate your chicken overnight or even a couple of hours before. Now look at that, guys. Smells so good, especially garlic and onion powder. Like, trust me, man, that just take it to another level. I love it, love it. Now guys, I'm gonna be adding my season or my vegetables, which includes onion, carrots, pepper, scallion, and a piece of ginger. Now I'm just rubbing all that seasoning in. Then guys, I'm gonna be using my browning. You guys can use brown sugar to caramelize your chicken if you don't have browning or soy sauce. And this is just what's gonna give it the color, guys. Now there you have it. You guys can go ahead and leave this to marinate overnight or even a couple of hours before you start cooking it. Now guys, in a Dutch pot on medium heat, I'm gonna be adding the chicken pieces without the season, and I'm gonna be frying these for about 3 minutes on each side until they are brown. Now I'm turning the chicken pieces, and I'm just going to allow the other side to brown for another 3 minutes. So there you have it. I'm removing the chicken pieces and I'm going to be repeating the same process with the rest of the chicken pieces. Now guys, in that same Dutch pot, I pour off the excess oil, leaving a small quantity. Now I'm adding my chicken pieces along with the marinade and the season on top of it. Now I'm also going to be adding just a small amount of water. And I'm going to let that simmer for about 8 minutes until the liquid has been reduced. Then I'm going to be adding my ketchup just to give it flavor, you know. Guys, I also went ahead and I add about a tablespoon of barbecue sauce just to give it that smoky flavor. Yeah, it tastes so good with it, guys. Just a small amount, yeah. Now I'm just going to allow this to reduce, and yeah, here is a finished product, guys. I went ahead and I served that with some rice and peas, some steamed veg, plantain and avocado. Just an amazing plate of food, guys. I love you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. Turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. And I love you guys so much for stopping by once more. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.